My lecture topic is nuclear power. For better understanding, I divided my topic in various subgroups. In first part, I describe introduction of nuclear power. Second part, I describe how nuclear power work on which principle. Third, I describe its advantage. And fourth, I describe challenges and risk. And also in fifth part, I discuss its present nuclear power, present situation of nuclear power, and last, I give the future perspective of this nuclear power. Move on the first part, introduction of nuclear power. Nuclear power is an renewable source of energy or in incombustible or incredible source of energy. That means it has the potential to revolutionize our world. Also, this nuclear power mainly relies on the atomic power, which interlink to other to all the things on the universe. Move on the second part, how nuclear power work. Nuclear power basically work on the process of nuclear fission. That means I want to explain you with one example. When uranium bombard, that means when uranium nuclei is split up, then that means it has been split up into various lighter nuclei and releases lot of energy. These further neutrons reacted with the uranium and will continue the chain reaction, and in this way it produce heat, and this heat create turbine, and this turbine generate the electricity. Move on the third part, its advantage. Basically nuclear power produce low emission carbon electricity, and also it operates for a long period of time. It vanishes the fuel prices. Move on the fourth point, challenges and risk. Basically this nuclear power had a lot of challenges and its negative impact. It's offered or resulted the destruction in the human life and is the environment. As I will explain you with one example, the Chelgion disaster, which took place in 1996, which resulted the devastation of radiation exposure, and also giving the peoples who have been living here for long times in the community area. Now this disaster produce and provide a negative impact on our individual's life and environment. So we should have to ensure that we should have to take proper safety handling and the storage of the nuclear waste, but its negative impact is still a major concern for us at present scenario. Move on the present condition in the nuclear power. That means there are almost 14 nuclear there are basically 14 nuclear power operated in almost 30 countries, and it produced 19% of the world electricity. Move on the future perspective of the nuclear power. As we look out the future source of the electricity, is totally shows that nuclear power will produce or play a significant role in developing the its its ambitious source of energy. Also, by enhancing the technology, this nuclear power will has the potential to show its efficient and its cost efficient act. And also if we look out the one of the finest example like India nuclear power plant, which is in USA, it will provide the reliable source of energy, low carbon source of electricity to the millions of the home, and also provide provides the various business for the decade to home. So at last I conclude that this nuclear power had a lot of enormous advantage, or it has a lot of potential to build up or develop not only our India but our whole nation. So we should have to advance or increase the technology sector, so it will boost up more and more, and nuclear power plant will develop in more parts of our region. Thank you.